Hello everybody, welcome to Life in France. Life in France with a house full of lakes. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the jobs I'm doing around the property. Behind me is this unsightly sort of hillock of rocks and brambles. And what I've decided to do is to clear it away, move the rocks to create a boundary. I'm going to build a vegetable patch here. So this is how it looks at the start. And I'll show you how I make this into a nice vegetable patch. Okay, here's a close-up of my vegetable patch. As you can see, it's just rocks and brambles. It's going to be quite a hard job to get this ready, but it's unsightly at the moment and I have to do something about it. So it's going to be a case of clearing it. And these rocks, they're too heavy to move. I've got a wrecking bar. I'm going to try to get that under the rocks and just roll them into position to create a natural wall for the vegetable patch to be in. And it's just opposite our static home. So hopefully anyone in the static home can get some fresh vegetables as well. Okay, all the topsoil was completed over the weekend. Over 20 barrow loads of topsoil was placed in this area after you saw that we'd moved all the rocks around to create this new vegetable patch. So it's all been planted up now. Where the wicker teepee is, we've got mange tout. Around there we've got some nice sweet melons. There's a couple of rows of courgette, butternut squash. There's also some other squashes. We've got some white flat squash and some yellow ones as well. And I've also planted some carrots. But this was a lot of work. It was just a natural dumping ground for the previous owner. All the rocks were in one big pile. There was a lot of rubbish in there. And it was all nettles and brambles. So we cleared away a lot of nettles and brambles. As you can see, there's still some on the left-hand side near the static home. So that's got to be cleared yet. But a lot of the rocks have all been moved away. Topsoil's been put in addition to what was there. Lots of rabbit droppings. I think 3 barrow loads of rabbit droppings have gone in there. I've been saving those up and it's all now planted up. Okay, I decided not to do a rock raised garden in front of the static home. We had this old rowing boat and I've decided to turn it into a planter. Couldn't get strawberries at first because I wanted it as a strawberry planter, so I planted cherry tomatoes in there. But the other day I came across some strawberry plants, so we've got both in there at the moment. But it will be our strawberry boat. Okay, here's the vegetable patch, all looking rather productive. I'm about to do a harvest of squashes, so we'll see how many we've got. Been eating loads of courgettes over the season, and now it's time to harvest some of the squashes. Got some courgettes that have turned into marrows. We just had so many, I've just stopped picking them. But there's our squashes. Let's see how many we got in there. Okay, I've just harvested all my squashes. There's over 60 here. And I would imagine if you went to a supermarket, you'd be paying at least €2 per squash. So it's €120 minimum of food for the price of 2 packs of seeds, which is about €5. I love squashes. They're easy to grow. Once harvested, they store for a long time. Tastes nice and a good source of fibre, and also low sugars. So, perfect vegetable to grow. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video of life in France, turning a sort of derelict piece of land into a productive vegetable plot. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget hit that notification button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody.